Okay. Of course, our standard question, no? Couples? Ay,
No,
dili!
no.
Oh my God. Mura o, mapapasabak ako nito. Okay. Dili couples. Okay. Unsa imong gipangita sa usa ka pares nga lalaki?
Korean.
Ay, ala, mura og na ay pagka ay sa Junpyo ba na? Junpyo o gusto mo kuan? Imong Lee Min-ho si kuan, si Sir John Ray. Korean ko no Sir John Ray. Kay ba ka mo Korean?
Dili.
Ah, dili pa. Anyong nakataman pa. Okay. Sige, Sir John Ray, ikaw naman, unsay mo gipangita sa usa ka girlfriend? Future girlfriend.
Korean.
Ala, mura po Korean po si Miss Gisela. Kay ba ka Korean, Miss?
Annyeonghaseyo.
Ay hala, Korean Jude. Murag pwede. Murag pwede na to, no? Ma-next pair. Why not? Si Sir John Ray is friends of the bride or the groom?
Groom.
The groom. While si Miss Gisela is friend of the bride. Okay. Okay. We will see. We will see sa pair number 4. Again, ladies and gentlemen, they're not couples, ha? So we will see their once-in-a-lifetime performance no, sa atuang acting challenge. Okay. Now, Sir John Ray and Miss Gisela, please pamili ta sa duha ka book remaining na lang nga movies. We have Paano na Kaya and Starting Over Again. Okay, pair number 4 has chosen Starting Over Again, starring Piolo Pascual and Tony Gonzaga, and of course, Isa Calzado. But this scene is si Piolo lang o si Tony Gonzaga. Okay. Okay, we will now flash the script of our movie. And for Starting Over Again, you will be playing Ginny and Marco. Okay? The famous Tuan. Unsa ni siya? Kanang the famous Mama Mary, di ba? Si Isa Calzado is Mama Mary ko no ani nga movie. Okay? Internalize, read through the script in 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pair number 4, Sir John Ray and Miss Gisela, are you ready? Ready? Ready na ba? Ready na ang both Koreans na to? Atong mga Koreans? Okay. Starting Over Again, starring, of course, Sir John Ray and Miss Gisela. Ladies and gentlemen, lights, camera, action.
Marco.
Anong karapatan mong hingin ng isang bagay na ipinagdamot mong ibigay?
Huh?
Marco.
Ma-
Marco.
I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason.
Marco. I'm sorry.
Oh, bakit? Bakit mo sinabi sa akin ang totoo?
Natatakot kasi ako.
Ha? And you expect me to believe that? Sa tapang mong yan,
Hindi kita gustong saktan, Marco.
I almost died.
Grabe si Miss
And
Gisela.
every day, I wish I did. Tell me.
There you have it. Pair number 4, we have Sir